Today I'll be doing the Jefferson's method. The Jefferson's method is an apportionment algorithm which assigns representative seats by decreasing the ideal ratio until the quota for one of the groups exceeds an integer value. This group is then given that number of seats. Some history on the Jefferson's method. After Washington vetoed Hamilton's method, Thomas Jefferson proposed a new method called Jefferson's method. It was used in Congress from 1791 to 1842. This method tends to favor larger states, which favored his home state, Virginia. Now, an example for the Jefferson's method. A small country consists of 4 states. The population of state A is 67,200, B, 78,300, C, 73,800, and D, 80,700. The total number of seats in legislature is 100. Now, to find the divisor for this problem, we will need to add up the total population, which is 300,000. And as you remember, there's 100 seats in legislation. So it would be 100 divided by 300,000, and we would get 3,000. Now, to find the quota for state A, we will need to divide 67,200 by 3,000. And the quota would be 22.4. For state B, it would be 26.1. C would be 24.6. D would be 26.9. And we will ignore the decimal part of the quota for the initial. So for state A, it would be 22. For B, it would be 26. For C, it would be 24. And D, it would be 26. So we add all of these up, and the total would be 98. But as you remember, we have 100 seats in legislature, so we will need to modify our divisor to reach 100. So the modified divisor would be 2,950. We would do the same thing as before. So for state A, it would be 67,200 divided by 2,950. And we do this for each state. So for the quota for state A, it would be 22.7796. For state B, 26.4527. State C, 25.0169. State D, 27.3559. And for the initial, again, we ignore the decimal part of the quota. So for state A, it would be 22. For state B, it would be 26. For state C, it would be 25. And D, 27. And for the final, it would carry on. So for A, it would be 22. For B, it would be 26. For C, 25. And D, 27. Now, again, we add all of these up, and we get 100. So now that we reach seats in the legislature, we have solved for the Jefferson's method.